Do you sometimes have a bad hair day and you really don't want to see anybody in person? You love being at home, working on your computer and not having to go on camera or live on social media. Is it sometimes just nice to be hidden and you interact with the world without having to show your face? Well, we all have those days and those moments, and you're not alone. My name is Patricia Regier. I'm with Regier Educational Services, and today I'm going to show you around an online platform called Zoom, just in case you're getting ready to join a meeting or online workshop or learning educational opportunity. I offer those all the time. When people join my learning sessions, I really want them to be comfortable. So honestly, I am wearing pajama bottoms, but today I wanted to show you around while I was wearing a hat, didn't put in the time for my hair or makeup, just real, and I want you to feel comfortable to do that as well. Well, I want to show you that when you join an online workshop, and I use the platform Zoom, there is the opportunity to be on camera. I know that could be a little intimidating, so I just wanted to demonstrate so you can be comfortable, because online workshops can be the best of both worlds. You have the ability to interact face-to-face in person. We can screen share, you can work on things. We can have a collaborative working environment and work with everyone that is attending. So it's the best of the world of sort of that in-person, hands-on ability to learn, if that is the best way you learn. Plus, you can be in the comfort of your home or office. Now, I have my fantastic mic hooked up. You might be using an internal mic on your computer, the webcam on your laptop, or you might have a headset that also has a mic. So you can decide what is the best setup for you with the tools that you already have. But it is great to be able to see each other face to face. Now, when I run a workshop, I do record it so that there is that ability to replay. So if someone isn't able to attend the workshop at the date and time we have set up, they can see it afterwards. Certainly being live is the best, but there are situations where it's great to have the replay. And for you as a reference or resource, you can go back and see, what was that step-by-step again that I need to take, and use that. When I record a online workshop, I make sure that I don't have any other person's face on the recording. So I usually pin my video, so that's what's being recorded, and I will overlay the PowerPoint slides and have the step-by-step screen sharing to demonstrate and walk you through what you're learning in the lesson. So this video is to show you around with Zoom and explain what to expect, and demonstrate that you can be comfortable. It's okay. It's not about what we look like when we're learning. Now, on the day of a workshop, I probably will actually, do my hair, and because it's a recording of myself, that lives on, but I won't be recording those that are part of the workshop. Not their faces. There might be some audio that comes into the recording, and I make sure everybody knows that up front. Certainly questions and things really help other people to learn. If there was ever something that was shared in a confidential matter, I cut that out of the video. So I'm very particular on what ends up going out for replays as well. So this time you're seeing my mic, and I'm just going to demonstrate a little bit about Zoom, and I'm going to show you too. So you could be wearing a hat or have a ponytail. And if your hair's not long enough for a ponytail, whatever it works for you is comfortable. All right, let's jump into the Zoom. So I'm going to also do a screen recording. So I'm going to be doing video of me, and also I can overlay it with a screen recording. So for example, you have the invitation or links that I sent you in emails. You can copy that link. You can go to your browser and head right into the Zoom meeting. Now, when you put in the Zoom link, it might ask you to download something, and when prompted, select yes. If nothing happens, download and run Zoom. This is where you would click run at this point. So there are a couple steps that you might want to test it ahead of time or log in a little bit earlier. I will be logged in earlier, so I can be there to help anyone as well. So you'll get the prompt of open Zoom meetings. You'll get some prompts as you go along. And then what will happen, join a waiting room, and then I'll let you into the meeting. And there is an opportunity to also have a chat box on the side. So when you're scrolling around at the bottom, you'll see your mic that you can mute. You can stop your video. And if you have a picture uploaded into a Zoom account, you can have a free account. And that's where you would use the video at the bottom and pick which camera with the arrow or which mic with the arrow here. And on the side, when you click the chat box, there's the opportunity to chat to everyone or just to myself. And there's also a green button called share, and that's the opportunity if wanting to share your Canva account, and if you're having some problems with some step-by-step, if that is the workshop that you're part of, or there might be another platform that the workshop is about, and we can certainly share screens as well. And then stop share is the red button at the top. And I will be doing the same, and I can also help with some of that on my end as well. So that's a little bit of a look around as to using the link to go in, follow the prompts. There's the ability to chat on the side and to control your sound, video, sharing screen. And that is a little bit of a look around Zoom. That if you're having problems with a video and you or you don't have a mic option, I also send a phone number. So you can call in. So somebody may even be driving when they are joining a Zoom meeting and they have their Bluetooth on for their cell phone connected maybe through their car. Or if you're in your office or at home, you can call in and talk in an auditory way and join the meeting that way as well. And then it's two parts, computer and the phone. The ideal is if you do have the option of camera, mic through your computer and join us that way. And then there is the option of chat box on the side. So thanks for joining this online look around, whether you are listening as a podcast, watching as a YouTube video, or reading about this in a blog. Again, my name is Patricia Regier, and I really appreciate that you are joining me on Trish Talks. So I will see you at our meeting or workshop.